So today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to fix your network issue on your Trust Wallet. So here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. And make sure that you're already connected to a stable Wi-Fi or even your mobile data. Just troubleshoot your internet connection and try toggling on the airplane mode on and off or switching networks. Then, you could actually update your Trust Wallet if it's needing to update. Just simply go to the App Store if you're using iOS, but if you're using Android, just simply go to the Google Play Store. And make sure that your Trust Wallet is up to date or updated. So, after that, you could also go clear app cache on Android because it's only available on Android. So, go to settings, navigate to the app section, go to the Trust Wallet, and clear your cache. Do not do the clear data because all of your data will be gone on the Trust Wallet. After that, check the blockchain network status on Trust Wallet status.org for some Ethereum or other network as well. And then, you could actually manually add or reconfigure your network by opening your Trust Wallet, going to the token or network causing issues, and click on the settings icon and re-add the network, which is you are going to add the network that you wanted to. And then, you could also use a VPN if it's blocked regionally or just simply reinstall the application. And that's how you fix your network issues on your Trust Wallet.